There has been no letdown in ceasefire violations by Pakistan as it engaged in cross-border firing, including mortar shells, since Monday afternoon. Now, there was silence along the international border only after 10 p.m. last night. More than 3,000 villagers have been evacuated from their houses following the incidents of ceasefire violations on the international border. Most of these villages fall in the direct line of fire from the Pakistani side, and the administration has issued an advisory that people should vacate their houses. There are about 20 villages which have seen mass migration in the last 4 days. Some of the villages did not even get the time to gather together their basic belongings and are braving the odds in the cold.
वहाँ पे गोलाबारी हो रही थी। अच्छा, खूब गोलाबारी हो रही थी। हम पशुओं को बांध रहे थे, गोलाबारी चल रही थी। जबरदस्ती पशु बांधे और भाग के आगे।
पशु भी है वहाँ, अपने आदमी भी है वहाँ। बहुत गोले चल रही है। हाँ जी, अभी भी हो रही है।
बहुत फैला रहा है उनका। हम चाहते शांति नहीं थी, लड़ाई होनी चाहिए। उनको सबक ऐसा सिखाना चाहिए, 10 साल बोले नहीं। हाँ, ये बात है।
अभी भी गोला पड़ रहा है
तो छोड़ के आगे
इधर पता नहीं कितनी देर रहना है। हम इधर आगे घुसा रहे हैं, बच्चे अब बाहर पर है, कोई कहीं है, कोई कहीं।
In headlines, today's Shujaul Haq travelled to the area under the Pakistani fire at the international border in Samba sector. This is his report from inside a bunker.
We are right now on the ground zero. This is the international border on the Samba sector of Jammu division, and as you can see, we are inside a bunker. This is a bomb shelter which has been made on this international borderline. At various places we can see these bomb shelters, and they're being manned by the security forces who provide round-the-clock security from both the kind of threat that is emanating from the other side of the border. As you can see in this very dark room, this is a concrete underground bunker which has security pickets inside and is providing some sort of a sense of security to the people. I can tell you that beyond this particular bunker, only few hundred meters away is where the international border lies, where the actual line of fire is happening at this point of time, and there is intense gunfire going on.